Kaninong showbiz breakup ang nagulat ka?
The first, again, couple that comes to mind is Danielle and Catherine. I was shocked. During COVID, I did an interview with Danielle. In that interview, Luis, tinanong ko si Danielle, what is worse than betrayal? I remember that question. What is worse than betrayal? Ang ganda-ganda ng sagot, yun ang take away ko dun sa pag-uusap na yun. Sabi niya, being forgiven. Isipin natin, totoo yun. Yung to be forgiven na parang, wow, naintindihan ako, napatawad ako pagkatapos ng kasalanan ko. So, having come from that interview, akala ko, it was going to go smooth. Hindi pala. It was a misreading.